Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Monday, July the 8th, 2024. It's the first trading day of this week, and this week we have five, no, full five trading day. Last week we only have four trading day because of the July 4. And we are in week 28. We start this week. We have a next couple of week of this month, this matter, we have a start from this week for the whole month right here. The next 3 weeks we have a earning report for the second quarter. It gives us right here earning report for second quarter. I think Apple or Microsoft gonna be July 25th something. Yeah, the big magnificent 7 right there. Let me see at the earning date. Yeah, July 23rd right there. That's Microsoft. And let me see Apple. Oh, August 1st. Okay, very interesting. July 23rd and August 1st. Wow, quite different. Normally, both of them come together, just 2 or 3 days apart. But this time, it's like a week apart. 25th right here, and the next week, okay, Thursday, and the next Thursday. I see. Alright, so we are on earnings season right here. So we are week 28 of so we are week 2 of the second quarter. And for option expiration, we don't have any after the finished quarter in June. And we anticipate right here the CPI gonna be on July 11, and then after that we have after the July, what happened to the week right here? Is that okay? So the CPI data gonna be June 12th. Sorry, July 11 right there, which is this week. And then the Fed meeting gonna be July after that. And okay, so we see that the week after that, after the CPI right here, we have 1 week right here, nothing special. But after that we have a GDP data, and then after that the Fed meeting. So basically the week 29 we may not have any Heimbach news, right? All right, go into the chart for today. We we trade a lot today. We make 12 trade today, and the day before that we make huge trade also. Let's see. Yep. So here's the 15 minutes right here. We have opportunity right here. We go in a short right here, but you know what? We kind of chicken out when we should have pulled back right there. We should not do that, but we are chicken out. So basically, after we are past the challenge, the first day we take 3 days off. Our first day we trade is last Friday, which is non-farm payroll. Yeah, this is the first trade. No, first day that we trade after the pass. We take 27 trade. Can you believe that? That is way over trading. We might make a bunch of mistakes, but at the end of the day we lose 1,600 right there. And our winning rate only 26%. That's crazy right there. But anyway, we make huge mistakes and we learn from our mistakes. And today we take just half of that. We take about 12 trade, and we do that better. We do better. Great, awesome. Is that right? Let's see. Yeah. All right, so we make profit. Can you believe that? We make profit today. So we make 700. Cool. So make profits today, and we make big back. Let's see what trade. When we first started today, we looked at this setup. Right? We saw that is a ICT Judah swing prior 9:30 or before 9:30, and we aim for that setup, and we're so eager right here. You see that 9:30? We thought we're gonna short them, and we try to short right here. We try to. That's our first trade. Let's see our first trade. We try to short them. Let's take a look at our first trade. Here's the recording for our first trade. So we go in very early at 9:46. Let's see. We already short them at 9:46. Actually, there's no setup right there, but we just so FOMO. You know what? Because last Friday we lost, so we just want to come in and swing, try to make get the money back. That's you see the last time we lost, right? Friday we lost 1,600, so we're so eager, and as soon we go in, we open the computer, we go in, we log in, we say, wow, let's swing, try to get the money back. There's no way that it keep going up like that, and we did go in and we short them. Look at that, and let's see. Wow, it going to our way for a little bit. You see right there, $12 in the money, but as soon after that, we are in trouble. You see that? Boom, we got out. We lose $75 plus $2 for the commission right there. So that's $70 right there. $70 right there. So our first rate right there, we're going at the candle at 8:45 right there. You see 8:45, 8:45 right here. All right, we're going right here. It's crazy, because it tests from below. You see that? It tests from below, so you're not gonna short right here. Test below, it's gonna be break it. So that's no setup. It's just a FOMO trade right there. We have to learn our lesson right there. It's a FOMO trade. FOMO trade for it right there. All right, now is take a look at the second trade. It's also a FOMO trade, a loss trade. So basically right here, FOMO trade, second trade. All right, we saw again, at night we saw again. It's so crazy. We lose control right there. Because you know what? We look at the ICT setup. We say, wow, it must be happen. It must happen this time. That's how crazy is that. We so amp up for the model. We have to wait for it, but we cannot wait. We just force them ourselves in the market. Say, wow, why it go up so much? You have to be short now, and we pay the price right there. See that? It keep going up. So we learn our lesson. So we lose 2 trades in the row right there. This one we lose another $150 something. The total loss going to be 230 something right there. So we're going at night right here, kick candle, kick out. This, okay, at night we have some logic right here. Basically, test from low, break, then there's no reason for us to come back at this level. It touched the level in order to reverse. That's the second trade. The second trade, we have a little bit idea right there. Basically, you see, we're going right there because it touched that level. So it should not be touched level. That's our logic right there. So we short right there. But anyway, it's very low setup. We have to wait for until this setup form. It's a beautiful setup right here. But you know what? We so formal. And look at the touch trade we take. All right, so we lost 2 trades in a row. Why we try so again with no setup right here? We just say, oh, it go too high. It must be retraced. So it must retrace now. Yeah, that's we fall ourselves in the market right there. But look at that. At 9:30, you see right there, 9:25. Short again. Again, boom. See that? At 9:31, at 9:30, boom. It take out right away. And we take another loss. Our loss gonna be come up to what? 500 right there. Yeah, 500 lot right there. So 3 trade on the row right there. 3 trade loss. That's amazing right there. Oh, wait a minute. Where is our 5-minute charge? We lost us. Accidentally close our 5-minute charge. Let's reopen it again, and we want it to be a so basically we short again at 9:30. We got lost, and let's see what our number 4 trade we take. All right, so we stop out, take a lot, 3 trade on the row, 500 something. Boom, that is the 9:30. And then we see the retracement. We come in and short. That is a formal trade right there. Has no setup at all. We just fear that we will be missing out if this candle flip, and we pay price for that. And look, boom. Yeah, we got stop out right after that. See that? We put exactly right there. It stopped at. It stopped at the high, that candle right there. So our loss is go to 900. Boom. Oh wow, 1000 right there. We lost right there. So basically this one take out the high of this one. That's our 4th trade on the row, and now take the 5th trade. It's crazy. Okay, so as soon as we saw, we accidentally hit something right there. All right, so after, okay, so let me see, we sell again. We short again because we see that, it just rate the sell side right there. It just rate the buy side. So we shorted. Yes, we shorted right there. So we short at 9:49, which is the 45 candle and 4 minutes into that. That's fine, perfect. And let's see, 75. Boom. Wow. So the 75 got taken out. 36.75. This guy got up all the way to 75. So we took another loss by short them, but in this time we put the stop loss too tight, so we put a 36. It go up 37 right there, 56, 37.5, and it stopped it out. So 5 trade loss in the row, and we go up to, another 200 right there. So we are lost at 1,000 something right there. It's uncomfortable for us right there. So you know what? And then here's the trade number 6 we take. All right, so after is a pullback, right? We see a opportunity. We short them again. Look, short again, and good. Just stay right there, right? If we stay at right there, we're gonna make the huge profit. Just look right here. Look right there, we go in at 34, and our stop loss at 37.50. You see, 37.50 is so safe. It never touched it again, and we go in at 34 right here, around here. And look, if we let it run, 34 something, right? Let's say we go 34.50, 75 for that matter, and let run all the way 18. Man, we have 3R right there. It's the key level right here. The opening range, weekly opening range right there. We have a 14 3R right there. That's the perfect setup 3R right there. And but we didn't execute well. I think we messed up. When it pulled back, we pull out, we remove our targets. But when it pulled back, instead of staying the trade, we get chicken nuggets. With chicken, we stop out. We exit the trade. We close position. You see that? We hit close position right there. It's what it's what a shame right there. But anyway, we should not be too hard on ourselves right there. We still learning right there. So basically, when you see the pullback, it's not try to get out of the trade. It's gonna be add more into the trade, because right here it's create a beautiful setup right here. When we see a pullback right here above level, it's test from above right there. It's gonna come down. We don't know how many times, but we have to do it as long as our subconscious might still not recognize this yet. So that's the reason why we get out of trade. But if we are good at the pattern, then we should stay in trade and add more into here. That is the beautiful setup that we put in our playbook before, but for some reason this morning we just took our eye off the pattern at the model. We just focused on the money, try to recover the money from yesterday's loss. That is our mistake. Yeah, here's the setup in our playbook. It's a reversal type one right there. So basically you have a level right there at 56.3325, and you break it and it retests, then it reverses. So it's a perfect setup right there. We should stay in there until it hit the target at 56.80. Yeah, but somehow we got scared. We don't know. It's something going on in our mind at that moment. We did not execute the trade well, even though it's in our playbook. Let's look other example for this setup reversal type one right there, which is you break, retest, and then reverse. Let's take a look at that model, and so we have so Yeah, so here's our type 1 reversal right there. You have break, you have pretest, or test for that matter. Retest in this test, it depends, right? If it's gonna be a long, then it's gonna be test from below. But if a short, it's gonna test from above. Test or retest right there. That is the setup right there. Type 1 right here. In this case, it break it mid-level at 5033 and it retests from above. That's a short setup right there. And then boom, it reverse. Yeah, we have some playbook that we can see right here. At lead level right there. Level 5363 right here. 56, see that level? It break it and it retests. In this case, it just 1, 2, 3. 3 times right there. And then boom, it reverse. That is the reversal playbook we have. Similar to this, you see that at mid level 53, 25, 50 right there. Break, test from above, and then reverse. That's break and retest and reverse. It's a type 1 right there. Reversal type 1 right there. Here's we have another one. Beautiful, the same idea, but the variation a little bit different, but you see the same idea. It break the level, right, and it retest from above, then boom, it reverse. And here's another example we have for the short set. Oh, this one is for today. And this one, okay, so this one is a short. This is a long setup, not a short setup. Yeah, this is the long setup, not a short setup. So basically, that's type 1 reversal right there. Beautiful right there, which is today it happened. And let's review one more, a reversal type 2. Or at least for this type 1 we have 2, right? A short setup. Let's review the long setup. The long setup, we have a couple of playbook for long setup right here. At least the long setup, same idea. You break it, test from below, and then boom, reverse. That's the long setup. Here's another example. Right there, you break it, test from above, test from below twice, and then reverse. So just the same setup, but one for long and one for short. Here's another one for long setup. You see, it's just clockwork exactly. Break it, test from below, and then reverse. And this guy gives us a second entry right here and a third entry right here. Beautiful right there. Boom, there you go. Sometimes it gives you the second entry and the third entry. Just stay in it way, don't get nervous. That's the trick right there. Yep, the same idea. Break, retest from below, and then reverse. This is the long right there. Setup. Just remember right there. Break, retest, and then reverse. Yep. So basically we have a huge setup for today and we missed that. Alright, now go back to, let's close all the, we accidentally close the 5-minute charts again. Our 5 minutes right here. Yep. So we get in that trade setup, but we get out early. That's our mistake. Right there for today. Look at trade number 6. Yeah, I think we did trade number 6 earlier. We go in perfectly, but you know, we exit out. We should stay in a trade. We had 23, right? But you all the way to 18, we get the money right there. We get 3R, 15 point right there. We have 2 contracts, so is that 2? Just 1. Yeah, you know, 3R will be, yeah, 1,500 right there. It's no, actually 720 $25 right there. 1 contract, but if 2 contract, it will be 1,500 right there. Anyway, we have a good trade on trade 6, but we didn't recognize the pattern. We not formal, but we kind of did not execute the trade well. That's all we can say. And look at trade number 7. So trade number 7, we said, wow, oh wow, it's gonna break. So we're going again, short again, and you know what? Look at that. We can get profit 200 something, and you know what happened? We did not take profit. You see that? And then we chicken out. We stop out. Oh man, cannot believe it. We did not take profits, and then we get scared. We just take a small profits and get out. Yeah, that's how the markets confuse you right there. You see that? But if we just stay in the trade, we still make good profit. We're at 31, right? We go in 31. At first, that's trade we go to a 34, and now we go to 31. It's still good. 31. Right here, let it run. It can go to 14. We still have 2R to run right there. But we don't know. We have to look back why we're so nervous. Why we just we don't have a patient. Yeah, that's the lesson we learned for today. We don't execute the trade well. We just want quick profit and get out. And if market don't do the way we want, then we squander right there. It's the huge trade we take right here, but we don't stay in the trade. That is the mistake we make. And then let's see, trade number 8. All right, so right here we go. Is that we go long? Yeah, we go long right here. So basically, we see the test from below, and they're gonna break this trade. It's gonna break. So it's at 1250 right there. Okay, let's see 1250. Basically right here. Is that right here? 12. Right here. Okay, so 45 right here. And yes. So basically we see, okay, here the setup. Test from below, break test below, and this one gonna be what? They're gonna be reverse. Yes. Okay, that's a good trade idea. Let's see how it's play out. Okay, it go, and then boom, it reverse on that one. Okay, and we don't feel right. So we get out. Perfect, fine. That's good. We don't feel right. That's right, because this is supposed to be continued. Yeah, we don't feel right. We take a lot, and we get out. Yes, perfect. Even though it's a lost trade, but it's perfect. Because the logic is that it already test from below, and this reverse it has to be continued, and it doesn't go away, then perfect, get out. Even though lost rate, but trade number 8 is a perfect execution. Let's look at trade number 9. Okay, so after we we thought that, oh wow, it flipped a candle, so it's gonna be short, but actually it's a mistake. We short two contract because we're confident that this candle is supposed to what to go up, but it did not go up. That means it can come down. We write a little bit right there. We can take profit right there, but it did not. It just flipped back again. You see that? From in our money, now we have to out money, and boom, we take a loss, $150. We should not. Boom, right there. So we lost the trade number 9. Okay, now do trade number 10. We said 5, perfect. Wow, if this candle is flipped, then it's gonna be go back up, and we take trade number 10. And right here, trade number 10, perfect, right? Okay, so we go long. We do 3 contracts right away, and boom. See that? Boom, we move, continue to move. If we lift the profit, the first target right there, we should get 787 right there, but we are a little bit greedy, and then finally we only take profit 500 something. Yeah, we saw that, wow, it's not gonna come up. So we take profits. So we get back about 200 something. So we take profit about 550 something. We close position. So it's a good trade. With good trade. Trade number 10 right there. Yes, trade number 10. So we lost, yeah, so we lost 5, so we gain some money back, make some money back, and we, yeah, about 700 so far. Yeah, we close the position, boom, so we get, we lost only 7%. And then we take right here, I think we take one more short trade right here, but for some reason we hit the recording, but somehow it's not recording. But basically right here, we see the setup. At first we go long, okay? Right here, because you see, test from above break and reverse, we thought they're gonna go long. We take a trade right here, but turn out it's short, so we follow the short right away, and we take a good profit right there. That is our trade, the last trade, right number 11. Yeah, we trade 11 right here. All right, we see perfect, right? It's test from above, reverse, and boom, we go long. Yeah, we go long. However, it's reverse. We say, wow, now it's reverse, so it's gonna be not leaked out. So we close the trade, and then we engage trade number 12 right there, which is a short right there, and we get a good profit. Even though we entry right here at 24, the best entry for it's going to be a 26 right there, 2 point above. But we hit our target, so we get out. And like I said, trade number trade number 12. All right, before we wrap up for today, let's look at the pattern we have for the non-farm payroll. All right, let's look at the last Friday. Last Friday is a non-farm payroll last Friday. Look at a candle at 10 and then a candle at 9:30 right there. So basically the candle at 10 is trying to rate the sell side or the low of the 8:30, and it failed. It failed to do that. And our mistake is that we don't want to go long because we feel like, okay, we need a sell side really rate to go long. However, in this case, if we look at carefully, we see the level of 59.89 right there, 55.89. It raised that level 6 times, it failed to break. That means that's strong support at that level, unless we buy at that level. then we can surely go long. Don't wait for the sell side liquidity of the 830 taken. Don't wait for that. That's the lesson we learned. And if we look another angle, we can see that this setup already complete. The source are already complete. Test from above. You see that? Test from this level, and then boom, it's closed below that. That means the source setup already complete already. Now we can go long. For sure, we can go long. We did not learn this lesson yet, so it's new to us. That's the reason why on Friday we make 22 trade and lots of mistake. But we're glad we didn't blow up our account last Friday. That's our first trading day, after we passed the challenge. So we learned our mistake right there. And we learned that a non-farm payroll, that's how we should pay attention to the 830 and the 10. This is the July 5th, which is last Friday. Let's look at the last month, which is June 7th. So June 7 right here. We can apply the same principle. Look at the 830, right? So you see the 9 at 10 right there, and that candle, it failed to break, to the low of the candle, then we can go long right there. Fail to break low, then you can go long, and in this case, we can target the buy side liquidity. It can give it a very decent run up right there. Right, so the low of the candle, let's say 54. We can go in here 80, 54. Yeah, right here, level right there. We can have 20 point, more than 4R. It's 4R run right there. The buy side liquidity. All right, let's look at the May non-farm payroll. Yeah, we have same idea right there. Look at the 10 candle 10. It a 4 breakout at the low of that, right? It break the level, we thought that it gonna 4 breakout. You see that it break test from below. That is type 1 a reversal right there, which is we already reviewed this setup in the beginning of the review today. It is a reversal type 1 right there. And let's look at the April. Right here, 830 right there, and look at the 10 candle right there. It's failed to break big level. You see that? Or you can say that big level right there, the high of the candle. Test from above, break and reverse. Beautiful. So now we have at least some kind of framework to work with a non-farm payroll. Non-farm payroll, we know at least we know how to trade them with the framework, with the playbook we developed so far. All right, that's it. What I want to share real quick related to non-farm payroll. And that's it for today. We thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success coming our way. Have a great evening, and talk to you later.